Hello everyone, Dr. Ash is here, and today I want to bring this to your attention, neurobion. This is not the oral, this is the injectable ampoules of the neurobion. And this video has two parts. The first part I'm going to discuss about the bodybuildings, and the second part it will be about the back pain, joint pain, and those people who got some kind of nerve damage. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss that. Before anything, I do not advocating of taking any kind of steroid, human growth hormone, even vitamins. These are all for the entertainment purposes, and if you want to do something, please do your own research. However, I want you all to help and support my channel through the PayPal as well as the BTC account or Bitcoin account that I'm leaving in the description. With your support, I can make more video. So guys, let's look at this. This is a very high quality injectable neurobion, and this has a Euro standard, and as you can see, this is not something you can buy from the black market. Let's look at inside. The reason the cover is dark because to prevent the sun easily can destroy the vitamin B. It causes degradation. This is very good. This already dark, and the cover is also well made. So let's check the amp. This is fantastic. I have no doubt about the quality of this product, and if you have more questions you can email me regarding this matter. You see easily it can break. Let me show you. How does it look? What's this, the color of this specific vitamin? As I said, this is 2000. This is 1200 of vitamin B12, B3, and B6. Well, to me this is very genuine, and if you really want to do PCT, or if you have some kind of injury, this will be a fantastic kind of help if the doctor decided that that's what you should do. I hope this video was interesting for you. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to the neurobion. Neurobion is a very essential injection, essential vitamins. It has essential vitamins, especially this type of neurobion. Generally, most of the neurobion in the market, they have 200 milligram of B12, 200 milligram of B3, and 200 milligram of B6. And those are very kind of cheap neurobion. Because the main substance of the neurobion is a B12. That is very essential when we come to the neurobion. And this specific neurobion that I'm talking about, this neurobion has almost 1000 milligram of B12. And the B12 that it has, it's not the cyanocobalamin that I discussed before. It's a methylcobalamin, which is a very highly absorbable, no toxicity to the system, and strongly essential for people, especially those that are older. But now we are talking about for the cycle and the testosterone cycle. So I strongly recommend, if you are on the testosterone cycle, make sure at least every 20 days, after you discuss with your doctor and he agreed to prescribe this for you and show you the green light to inject, every 20 days have at least one injection of this, and continue this even after the post cycle therapy. And the reason for this, there are so many research that showed people with higher amount of B12 and B6 in their system, they have more healthy testosterone level, as well as the anti-inflammation. When you are on testosterone and then testosterone turn to estrogen and all those process continues going, some inflammation happening inside of your system, and those inflammation reducing your recovery time, as well as because of the abuse of the testosterone, your glands not working as they supposed to work. And B12, B6, and B3 together, they help your gland to back to the normal and back to the technically with the less inflammation, they can recover and start again much more efficiently. So this is for your health purposes, and please take it seriously. And if you have any question, you can email me, but just make sure your email worth spending money. So these are all for today. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.